this guy. So he kind of was like, "Tum bachal and this and that. You're cheating on me with my friend." And I'm like, but not with the guy that you were thinking. Several guys, but not that one.
We went to CCD and we sat. We had one coffee each, but then we didn't have money to like buy any
Another-
snacks or
ha, ha,
anything.
ha, ha.
So we sat there for 4 hours and then we were kicked out because we weren't ordering anything beyond one coffee.
Dating in your 30s is exactly like dating in your 20s, but with more money.
अब तुम एप्पल आईफोन वाला डेट पे जा रहे हो, पहले तुम एंड्रॉइड डेट्स करते थे.
पहले तो नोकिया डेट करते थे, ठीक है.
Yeah.
This guy, I had a crush on him. We started dating. I found him very cute. He kissed me, and I felt like I touched the lizard's mouth.
Hello guys, welcome to another podcast. So we're two millennial women and we love Gupshup, especially about things that women care about. So I'm Arushi. I am an anchor, a content creator, a writer, an editor, lots of things. Depends on the day. And I have a lot of things to say.
Hi, I'm Siddhika. I'm a digital community builder, a creative strategist, a founder, and now I host this podcast with this pretty lady called Girl Gappa. And today we are going to talk about something that is very nice because it relates to us. She's going to be present in some capacities. It's about dating in your 30s. Basically, we're talking about how dating in your 20s is different to dating in your 30s. Essentially, dating in your 30s is very interesting. We are going to have a full discussion on that, and she will add to
I
the
will
fodder.
learn new things.
She will learn new things, yes. All right.
So grab your chai or coffee ka cup and let's get into today's cup. Woo. I am little new to this.
Little new, yes.
Little new to this because
Balika Madhu.
yeah, because like I hate change so much. I'm such a minimalist that I just dated one guy
Yeah.
and yeah, I just married him only and I'm like नहीं अभी change नहीं हो सकता. हो गया.
Recycling is something she doesn't understand.
Yeah, I'm a क्या बोलते हैं उसको minimalist.
Repurposing, not recycling.
Yeah, all that no.
Yeah.
I'm very one-time person, one-time use.
So I have been in many relationships, and I've also been in many long-term relationships, and I've been in many toxic relationships.
We know.
Yeah.
So my toxic ex.
So this toxic ex of mine. So I have seen a lot of landscape, and plus I think the interesting part about all my friends is, barring you, actually, you and maybe one other girlfriend, everyone else is unmarried. Either they're single or they may be dating someone, but majority of them are single and in their 30s.
Oh.
Yeah.
Interesting.
So, and interestingly enough, I'm not just talking about the girls, also the guys. Like I don't know, like my group is such that when it comes to the institution of marriage and stuff, is like it's not about that. It's about finding the right person essentially, and their belief system is also a little different, which comes from obviously like not being forced, privilege, वगैरह थोड़ी सी तो है, but I have seen it all. And the major difference that I feel like there is, dating in your 30s is exactly like dating in your 20s, but with more money.
Yeah, and little bit brain also.
Yeah,
मतलब
brain-
थोड़ा सा तो बड़े हो जाते हो.
ब्रेन का तो अभी डिस्कशन करेंगे.
Like I would say if Alia Bhatt was over 30, I don't think she would have made those decisions to wipe her lipstick off.
Look, if this podcast goes to Alia Bhatt, we start discussing grouping, and that's a whole topic in itself.
Yeah, we probably hope maybe get there, but yeah.
Yeah. Some other podcast, some other day, guys. So, and I'm saying that for one reason, like when you are in your 20s and your 30s and you have to go on dates, right? Whether you're using any dating app, usually you're like, हाँ ठीक है, कहाँ जाएंगे मूवी के लिए, तुम ऐसा बजट कर रहे हो कि 500,000 रुपये की डेट होनी चाहिए, दैट्स लाइक योर लिमिट. सो देयर इज दिस थिंग दैट यूजली गाइज लाइक टू पे एंड गर्ल्स वांट टू टच एंड स्टफ. सो लाइक वी हैव दिस एंटायर थिंग कि 500 रुपये का दिन का खर्चा है. व्हेन यू डेटिंग इन योर 30s you don't have that, so you can have actually a potentially better date with a person. You're more picky now because you're in your 30s, again you get brain, but if you and the person are vibing, right, you could go for like a long date. You don't have a curfew timeline कि घर 7 बजे पहुंचना है, and you could really have a great experience.
Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah, and because now it's like dating pro.
Yeah.
It's
It's
like
हाँ.
dating pro max.
It's like dating in the movies. Like you
Yeah.
got this.
अब तुम एप्पल आईफोन वाला डेट पे जा रहे हो, पहले तुम एंड्रॉइड डेट्स करते थे.
हाँ, पहले तो नोकिया डेट करते थे, ठीक है.
Yeah.
पहले आई रिमेम्बर माई डेट्स इन स्कूल. ओ गॉड. सो व्हेन आई यूज्ड टू बी डेटिंग पीपल इन स्कूल ना, हम लोग जाते थे एंड इट यूज्ड टू बेसिकली बी लाइक मोमोज एंड स्प्रिंग रोल की डेट.
Oh yeah.
सो यू गोइंग, यू गो टू द मार्केट एंड यू आर लाइक ठीक है, स्प्रिंग रोल खा लिया, 1 घंटा कर लिया. अगर किसी ने स्कूल बंक करके डेट कर लिया, वो तो क्रेजी हो गया भाई. वो तो यू हैव टू बी सीरियस टू बंक स्कूल एंड मीट समवन. शिट मैन.
I know. I mean, I have one ex from school, whom I dated for a few months. We went to CCD, and we sat. We had one coffee each, but then we didn't have money to like buy any
Another
snacks or
one.
anything.
Ha.
So we sat there for 4 hours, and then we were kicked out because we weren't ordering anything beyond one coffee.
Yeah, I mean, I think learning how to drink your coffee slowly and enjoying the flavor comes from budgeting in your teens for all of these dates.
That's true.
तो
Yeah,
एक कप तुम्हें चलाना है, ठीक है, पूरा 1 2 3 घंटे उसी कप को चलाना है, वरना वो बोलेंगे कुछ और ले लो या ना निकलो.
So me and Krishanu also like started dating when I was in school.
Yeah.
And we have not one of my proudest moments, but we have tried to dine and dash once.
Nice.
But
Not nice.
I think that's what made our relationship stronger because we had all this shared trauma from our childhood.
In your case now, I think I mentioned this before, either a couple grows apart or they grow within each other. And in your case, you grew within. I feel the benefit of being in your 30s and having dated multiple people from my lenses, not only do you get to actually learn your likes and dislikes very strongly, but also you get to understand other people very easily. I mean, definitely, I'm not saying that people like you can't understand like other people and the toxic thing, but like when you know na ki theek hai, this person, this behavior leads to these 10 other toxic things, then you are like immediately cut.
Oh, pattern recognition,
yes,
basically,
yes,
right? You're
pattern
oh, this will
recognition
become
unlocked.
this. No.
Yeah.
No, in my case, it was more like because we were in also long distance relationships when he was like studying abroad or working somewhere beach mein, but we always like came back to the
together,
same
yeah.
place. But every time I met like other human beings
Yeah.
and other guys, like in general classmates, whatever, and then I'm like, and then I used to compare and I'm like, oh, I like what I have.
मेरा वाला
मेरे को नहीं चाहिए और ew, this cannot
to know.
should not change. This
हाँ.
is हाँ.
And another thing is that I feel like you, because you fight with a variety of people now, your communication really gets honed in. So when you're in your 30s and you're fighting with someone, is very different to fighting in your
Oh
20s.
yeah, you have those comebacks, no?
Yeah.
जो पहले पहले लगता है कि ओ ये बोलना चाहिए था.
हाँ.
But अब उस चाहिए था मोमेंट में तुम आ गए हो. Where you have it prepared, you have your notes.
Yeah. Like, in perspective for you, like you've had like 1,000 friends, let's say, right? And you know
No,
कि हाँ.
I have probably 3 friends.
Oh, shit.
Anyway, so my
Okay. मैं और इसकी 2 बिल्लियाँ.
2 of them, yeah, 2 of them are my cats. I was going to say Krishano and 2 cats, but okay.
ਹੱਸਦੇ ਚਿਹਰਿਆਂ ਦਾ ਮਤਲਬ ਇਹ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਕਿ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਕਦੇ ਕੋਈ ਤਕਲੀਫ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੁੰਦੀ.
Guys, this is our last episode. It was good. It was a nice long
Yeah,
run.
friendship with Siddhartha ended.
So let's presume. Okay. Presume you have made 1,000 friends. And मतलब 1,000 ज़्यादा लोग इतना
मेरे
नहीं
तो
date करते हैं.
Facebook friends भी नहीं है इतने, ठीक है?
Okay. Presume you have made 100 friends. हाँ, ठीक है. And now तुम्हें सबको ये बताना है कि do not, let's say, comment on how I dress. For example, now everyone comes with a different set of drama and baggages on how they think they have authority to comment certain things depending on their upbringing and all, right? Now, imagine dating is the same thing, but instead of friends, you are telling someone you're in a relationship with not to comment on something. Now, when you have been with X amount of variety of people now, what I have learned is that you really get to know how to tell people certain things and put them in their place depending on where their upbringing is or where they're coming from. Because तुम्हें इतना experience हो जाता है ना, when you're friends with someone, maybe you might not get into their life or their family as much as when you're dating someone. So this perspective of, you know, understanding humans.
Oh yeah, it's not you, it's just how you were brought up.
Yeah.
And it is. It usually just is that, you know.
The other thing, I think dating in your 20s is like very kaleshi also, because people really want to live their 20s. And if you are someone who wants to be in a relationship in your 20s and the other person wanting to have fun or cheat or something like that, then I feel like those girlfriends of mine in particular get very jaded. Like मेरा तो खैर ये काफ़ी sorted scene था that when I was in my fun phase, I would break up with a guy in 2-3 weeks. ठीक है? और if you were मतलब यार everyone has their phases. Like तुम I'm having this conversation with you. I feel a little distinct. Okay, so some people when they're trying things out ना like Bumble और Hinge वगैरह पे ना you tell people कि हाँ I am talking to you and I'm talking to a few others. Okay, and this is like a normally accepted thing. And school.
That's okay. I'm not. मेरी मम्मी नहीं हो. It's okay. You
Sorry.
can tell me these things.
Actually मेरे दिमाग में ये भी चल रहा है मेरी मम्मा देखेंगी.
Oh yeah, that's true.
Because अभी मेरे दिमाग में ये भी चल रहा है मामा भी देखेंगे इसको.
Oh yeah, auntie is a very avid follower.
Hi mom. Hi.
हमारे जो 20 व्यू आते हैं उसमें से 2 आंटी के होते हैं.
दो से ज़्यादा.
होश है.
When I was in school, essentially at that time, so this thing was not there that हाँ I would say that. पर उस समय मेरे लिए इतना mental struggle हो गया था. अब मैं WhatsApp use ही नहीं करती, मेरा मन ही नहीं करता because I was talking to like 15-20 guys, let's say at the same time, presuming for fun, let's say that amount. And what used to happen is some people were like, Siddhika, this was the last scene. उस समय ना last scene हम हटा नहीं सकते थे. So what I used to do, I used to put my phone on airplane mode. Then after that, I would respond to everyone that I
genius.
wanted to respond to रात को, and then I would remove it from airplane mode. और मैं ऐसे करके 5-6 लोगों से साथ में चैटें करती थी.
And modern problems require modern solutions.
Nice.
And then cut to after I had like a few toxic long relationships, I was again single. So on Bumble I found out कि Bumble ना लैपटॉप से चला सकते हैं. तो मैं लैपटॉप पे because फोन पे उतना जल्दी टाइप नहीं होता guys. You're wanting to explore the pond, right?
Pond.
Pond or fish?
Oh, you said pond.
Yeah, I'm like fishing, no?
Yeah, I heard
Yeah.
you. Okay, I
Yeah.
heard other things.
So this is also the time when I met my current partner and boyfriend Neeraj. So अब मैं क्या करती हूँ उस समय तो कोविड चल रहा था ब्रो सो आई वॉज टॉकिंग टू आई वॉन्ट टू से 50-60 guys at the same time. I'm not even exaggerating right now because I was. एंड मैं सबको सेम क्वेश्चन बेच रही थी बिकॉज अगेन पर्सपेक्टिव आ जाता है कैसे रिप्लाई तुम्हें चाहिए एक पार्टनर से. मैंने सारे लॉन्ग को भेजा डिपेंडिंग ऑन द आंसर. आई एम लाइक रिप्लाइंग और नॉट रिप्लाइंग. नाउ व्हाट हैपेंड वाज विद नीरज उसने
It's
रिप्लाई
like
किया.
entrance exam.
Exactly. Yeah. Question 1.
But
10
the
marks.
entrance is
Facts.
yeah.
And the thing is that I got very lucky dating in COVID because the quality of men that I found on Bumble was fabulous. Because everyone knew कि lockdown है कोई मिल नहीं सकता. तो basically when you're on these dating sites ना, especially sorry about my language but Tinder तो the full
जनरल बख्शी वाला मीम लगा देना ये
कोई रंडी खा रहा है.
because वहाँ पर जाओ like I at that time kept my nails like they were like twice as long as right now. तो मैंने उस समय फोटो नहीं डाली थी because I was like some people may be knowing me from Instagram which ended up happening but that guy just saw my nails that were long. He was like it was so nice inside my back.
I am not going to kink shame.
It's not about kick shame. That's the first line on Tinder I got. That's
Oh
why
fuck, no hi hello also.
No, that was the first line. I swiped with the guy. That was the first line. I was like, ये तो बहुत बढ़िया. I thought कि I won't get creeps if I don't show my face, but alas,
जनरल
creeps.
बख्शी.
ये कोई रंडी खा रहा है.
Now I give that question. Now the thing is कि it took me time because I would be like दिन में मैं 2 बार खोलती थी because it was like at that point I was doing work. I was like ठीक है I'm on my work sabbatical. This is my work. तो ऐसा I would be like talking to 50-60 guys. Now नीरज के साथ he was like he gave a reply. सही reply था जो भी था. But I could not see it at that time. And he wakes up early in the morning. और मैं तो मतलब कोविड के टाइम पे तो कुछ करने को था ही नहीं. मैं तो दोपहर में उठी and वो तो वैसे भी सुबह 6 बजे उठ जाता है for no reason. So he woke up and then he sent me a message. I thought we were having a great conversation. You didn't reply. And I was like क्या? I was like ये क्या है? And then I told him मैं ना लैपटॉप से डेस्कटॉप से चलाती हूँ Bumble and he was like this girl is completely kaput.
Yeah, this yeah. I
No,
mean
but-
that is a little psychotic.
No, because yeah COVID man. We were in the pandemic.
I know. Yeah, it made you do weird things.
Yeah,
I
yeah.
remember. I know.
So now what I noticed over there is that that question generated 3 types of guys giving answers. The useless guys, नहीं तुम बताओ. Alright, नहीं not nothing much, nothing major like तो तुम बताओ.
Oh, this is like another way of saying कि तुम में zero personality है. Zero. Yeah.
ठीक है. The second type of answers that came were one-liners really bad. That kind of like or maybe some people gave like decent good answers, alright. But they were like few and far in between. But the second category actually answered the question. The third category didn't give a shit and they just wanted to be like Bob's and Vagine. Like I don't know, but however the food would be, the night would end great with you type. So yeah.
कैसा बेटा कोई ओरिजिनलिटी लाओ यार. This is why I think when people like me find one guy like, yeah,
Yeah,
this is
no.
yeah, just stick to this.
So, अब हुआ क्या now the thing that I noticed primarily different between the guys in my 20s and myself and in 30s, because I did this online dating stuff in a way twice, right, towards my late 20s and early 20s. So early के अंदर तो या teens के अंदर तो मैंने एक चीज़ देखी that if I found the guy cute, alright, regardless of the first category guy who gave like a 0% bullshit reply, I would still try and talk and this and that. I would like maybe give him a chance or two. Now I have 0% tolerance for that. So the first category would immediately get eliminated at this age, which is the difference number one. Difference number two is now the people like third category तो ऐसी भी eliminate हो रही है, मतलब किसी को creeps नहीं चाहिए. The second category के अंदर you kind of like now analyzing like why, what is this answer, micro analyzing and understanding what was the point of this. So
I'm telling you, the guy on the other end did not put this much thought into it.
not just me, so
He's just imagining, visualizing someone and how the night would end, and uske हिसाब से basically
that's what I
like,
don't want na. And this is
dick thinking.
dick thinking तो होती है. So like okay, you tell me any friend of yours who is right now single or dating in her 30s, I'm pretty sure she has been through like the ringer of shit guys.
Yeah, I've heard horror stories.
And वही ना like she might also come to you and be like यार मुझे ना ये red flags, orange flags, beige flags दिखे, ऐसा पूरा तिरंगा लाती है वो issues का.
Yeah. अरे भाई क्या क्या. No, I have one of my very close friends. I remember her like dating someone, not dating, but this was like hooking up, and in the hooking up wala this thing you don't really talk about them so much because you would like reserve your judgments and you're like, okay, it's just a thing that we're doing. So this person that she hooked up with, it was going on for quite some time, so it was almost getting into like the dating phase. Turns out that and she found it out also very weirdly. He never mentioned anything or never alluded to it, but apparently uska rishta chal raha tha, and he was in courtship with a girl that he was going to marry simultaneously while hooking up with my friend. And apparently one of the last, I won't even say last, but one of the last days that they hooked up was the morning that he was getting married. Okay? And she got to know this not from him but from an Instagram post that somebody else had tagged of his in a दूल्हे वाला शेरवानी.
कितना पारिवारिक माहौल है ना.
You know, there's a show also dedicated to this where girls get scammed by Shaadi.com guys.
Oh my god.
Yeah, so there's so many
Isn't
episodes.
like Shaadi.com like when you are done with your Tinder, Shinder, hoeing
अरे
phase?
भाई, so बताती हूँ सीन क्या होता है कि these guys want sex, right, and they feel like, or some scams which are like legit scams where they're like कि ठीक है हम लोग शादी कर लेते, so उसके अंदर ना the father is fake, the mother is fake, the brother and बहू are fake, everyone is fake in that family. They kind of get the girl and they meet the girl's family, everything like that, and they're going to make them buy a property or put in money somewhere or get flight tickets or something, and they're going to scam them of the money. And it's not just like
Craziest
50,000
thing I have done for sex. It's I would respect someone if they're doing this to scam someone for money, but not for sex.
Yeah, now the thing is that nicer girls, or I don't know, like a lot of girls also want to like reserve their virginities depending on the guy and how fucked up he is. So they get into this. And they try to get these gullible girls, meet their families, हर चीज़ करते, they do everything for sex. It's insane. So like micro analyzing, especially when you've seen this, because होता क्या ना, when you're dating in your 30s, you've seen all of this fuckery happening in your 20s, and at least 20s में ना you have a pool of guys, alright, that are decent, that are nice. अब 30s के अंदर तुम्हारे पास दो option है. Either you take the rejected lot वाले लौंडे.
Oh yeah, you're in the deep end then.
Yeah.
ना वो pool छोटा हो जाता है.
So वो सारे rejected लौंडे who have a lot of fucked up issues, they might be very misogynistic, very weird, very fucked up, एक तो वो lot है. And then the second lot that you're actually waiting for is the one-time divorce lot.
Yeah. No, one-time divorce is still like better, I would say, than the ones who are like unlovable, who
Yeah,
are never like
exactly.
dated or like hooked up or
Absolutely.
anything. They're the, I don't know, man. I'm just like, तो इतने बुरे कैसे हो सकते हो कि no one
No,
thought you
हाँ.
were worth loving or liking or dating or whatever.
Yeah.
You're just lying about your history because you want to seem sanskari, I'm guessing.
That also
Yeah.
is there. The thing is also, if suppose you find someone with multiple divorces, na, the issue over here is कि this person has a commitment issue or this person is a cheat.
Yeah, one divorce.
One
okay.
divorce is still fine.
Two.
Yeah. Yeah.
No.
फॉल्ट मुझ में ही लाई करता है.
Unless you're Ross, but then Ross had his own issues also, right?
Ross is, if we get into Ross was a little toxic. तो was little
Not
toxic.
little.
हाँ काफी मतलब हाँ.
Little तो नहीं था.
What is this? Too into her looks? Spoiled?
Now that's a little spoiled. He was supposed to type little, the idiot.
मतलब agenda वहीं से आया because I have seen all of this being played out, right? And then I'll tell you one beautiful thing that happened which actually could maybe help anyone who's dating in their 30s. So I really wanted a guy who was mentally stable, थोड़ा सा woke nature का, not like sexist or something like. I don't want to have like certain conversations, right? मैंने बहुत toxicity देख ली. So I was talking to, like, I kind of like finalized on 2-3 guys. Alright, नीरज कभी कभी मजाक करता है कि सिद्धिका का स्वयंवर चल रहा था, ऐसा लग रहा था.
See, you know, a guy is a green flag if he can joke about this,
Yeah.
and we could chill
And
with it. That's
yeah.
nice. That's sweet.
Absolute. And also he wasn't insecure me talking to the other guys. So let's say like Neeraj, and then we have got Alpha and Sigma. Okay.
Okay.
So
Ajay and Suraj.
okay, Ajay and Suraj. नहीं ये असली लौंडे भी हो सकते हैं ना. वो
Oh, yeah.
Suraj is there. That's why I was saying Alpha and Sigma.
Oh,
Guys,
okay.
watch our Alpha and Sigma podcast on that note, please.
Yeah. Okay.
So अब सिग्मा ना थोड़ा सा चूचू था, लेट मी टेल यू, थोड़ा सा क्रे था वो. एंड इन द सेंस कि द मोमेंट ही फाउंड आउट दैट आई वाज लाइक जेन्युइनली in at the same level talking to some other guys or at a better level, he felt very insecure. And then he fought with me and I was like, ये तो कलेशी है, he can't control himself. We are not even in a proper dating phase, all right? We're not exclusive. We are still in the chatting, getting to know each other phase. I'm like, cut इसका तो. Now comes to Alpha. Now this guy and Neeraj, both of them had their, so Alpha का भाई, because obviously, and Neeraj की बहन, both had a child, and this was around the same time. Now I was like कि bro, कोविड के टाइम पे ठीक है तुम्हारा बेबी हुआ है, ये वो, why is your brother not staying with his wife? ठीक है, माइका और मदर इन लॉ के घर पे रहना होगा or something like that, but you just had a child, alright, and you should be there supporting your wife. And this guy says to me, यार I don't understand man, like it's weird to stay over there, visiting is fine, वहाँ रहेगा थोड़ी ना वो. And I was like, red flag, micro-analyze the fuck out of this person.
No, fair enough. I
Yeah.
get it. Like this is not okay.
This
This
is
is
not-
and it's so basic यार.
Yeah.
Really तो क्या हो जाएगा, तुम्हारा डिक नहीं कट जाएगा मतलब वहाँ कहीं अपने मायके जाके.
Please, naak comes before dick. We are in Indian society.
Yes, because we have small peepees.
I have noticed in life now, like when you have started dating in your 30s now, you're not just looking at what the guy is saying, what he's talking, you're looking at his friend group, what are their belief systems, you're looking at what's up with his family, how he treats his family, what are this, like you're looking at a multi-dimensional verse of stuff. Ekdam,
Yeah. You know, and some guys have like this really weird relationship with their parents. Because, like, in my case, I would say that one of the reasons why I was like so positive about Krishanu was like because I loved his parents. So I loved his mother so much, and we still like get along really well.
yeah.
And I don't know, man, it was just a click. Like I clicked with his mother before I clicked with him. I feel like because we were like so similar and so and I can be very open with her, and she doesn't have like this whole toxic thing
Yeah.
about, you know, toxic internalized misogyny
Yeah,
that a lot
yeah.
of women have, and you
Yeah.
know, people have to hold on to their sons and say, oh my god, I you know, how can
Yeah.
someone replace my role
Yeah,
in
yeah,
their
yeah.
life and all that.
Yeah.
But she doesn't have that, which was so refreshing, which
Yeah.
was like, which is not the norm, honestly, which should be, which is just being a decent human being, not even making a big deal out of it that, oh, I'm so good to my daughter. No, I'm just
Yeah.
a decent human being.
How old were you when you actually were friends with her? I think बचपन में ही ना.
Yeah.
But that's like great, man.
Yeah. Backstory. So me and Krishanu met when we were 17, 18 types. And matlab, we started dating then. We met a little before that. And and our parents kind of knew each other because we're both army kids. So I had met his mother and I was like, oh my god, I love her. She's the best. And she was really cool and really chill and very normal and very not. First of all, the first auntie who did not comment on, oh, you are so skinny, you are so thin, what is up with your hair, why is it so frizzy?
Oh,
Things
yeah,
like
yeah, that
usually
time
aunties
curly girl
end up
routine did not
saying.
exist.
Yeah, exactly. Like and the first person who ever complimented my hair for being the way it
Yeah.
is, right? And I was just like,
Yeah, so sweet.
yeah.
No, it's a big deal.
And then I met Kushanu and I was like,
Like you're like one of the 1% where it is like that. So I remember this one guy was dating for a bit and भाई वो उसका भाई इतना toxic मैं क्या ही बताऊँ. So अब ये तो मतलब जिसे कहते हैं ना like when that happened I was like fuck man मतलब breakup तो हो रहा है. I'm just counting like the seconds till I can actually do it. अब हम लोग रेस्टोरेंट में थे. फर्स्ट टाइम आई डोंट लाइक इट व्हेन पीपल बिहेव and that was necessarily fighting, being mean to the servers, right?
oh my god, that is such a big red flag. वो,
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Yeah, this guy, his brother and his brother's wife, right? So this guy's brother, full fight, this and that, कलेश करके वहाँ से निकल. Now the thing is, I was also on a little back foot because there were 3 people over there from the same side. I felt a little weird, and that's why I think on another note is like so important for not the partner that you have to be a little more cognizant. ठीक है उस family का तो क्या कभी कुछ नहीं कर सकते in some cases, but you should at least be a bit little better of a human being. That guy wasn't. He was supporting his brother. He was fighting. I'm like, चूतिया. ठीक है. I know. And the sister-in-law of this guy's, the bhabhi was so weird. She was like la di da da da. She was like just waiting for him to get over. She's like, हाँ ये तो रोज का है. It's okay. It's cool. We'll go to the next place and enjoy there. I'm like, wait, this is toxic. This is fucked up. You were just like, हाँ ठीक है नई जगह पे जाके chill करेंगे. And she was like in Dada land for such a long time, and I couldn't speak to her. I couldn't talk to her. I was like, fuck, this is so bad. I just, and then in my head I was like, I can't do this. I don't want to do this. Let's just get done with dinner and Amma break up as soon as we exit.
That's nice. Yeah,
Yeah,
that's
it-
good.
it was
That's-
so
yeah,
bad.
run.
Run.
If you ever if I mean, this is one policy. Like, be good to server. Anybody who is serving you, anybody who's doing it, मतलब तुम्हारे काम आ रहा है, useful to you. How can you be mean to them, man? Like,
Yeah, man.
or that person is just doing their job. At the end of the day,
Yeah.
like this being disrespectful to that person.
And mostly
is-
they don't have power also.
Exactly.
Like screaming at them won't get you anywhere because they have rules. They don't have any power. They have no authority.
Yeah.
What are you doing? He's helpless.
But because you have power ना, because
Yeah.
you want to feel powerful,
Yeah.
that's the only and देखना जब कोई बड़ा कोई बॉस या कोई आएगा तब ऐसे हो जाएंगे वो माउस type.
Yeah.
It's that's like the
Yeah.
whole thing, right? The mark of a good character
Yeah.
is how you treat
state.
someone who is below you
Yeah.
in status,
Yeah.
in your social status. Is that because if you can speak truth to power and tell your boss what the hell was that,
Yeah.
or tell someone who's senior to you, or tell some whatever
yeah,
richer
yeah,
senior
yeah,
जो
yeah.
भी हो, and say this was not okay.
Yeah.
That is a good person, and
yeah.
not someone who's telling someone who's serving you, hey, ये क्या है, क्या कर दिया तूने? Not cool.
Yeah. So now when I had to go and meet my partner's sister, right? So when we guys met at that time, because I had already had like PTSD, okay? So I was like very stressed, like panicking. And then when thankfully it was like a very nice, warm, like you're talking about your mother-in-law, na, like you feel like very chill, nice person, good vibes and stuff. So I like so relaxed. And then I realized one thing on another note, which I've discussed with a few of my girlfriends who are like dating in their 30s. Guys who have sisters, especially elder sisters, they're like so nice. The moment you have a family where they're just like sons and all, like those families dating them, like that guy, it's like a no-no. It's like a big red flag, like
Yeah,
okay.
I know, right?
Yeah, it's like very rare.
I mean, it's kind of like a burden on the older sister, but I get like how the younger brother would always turn out better than a solo brother, only brothers. A brother among brothers
Yeah.
is always not as good as a brother among sisters.
Yeah. One other thing that I noticed is, and this is what I tell my friends who have sisters in their early 20s, right? Because a lot of them have siblings in their early 20s. When you're in that age now, making people like you or being liked is very important to your being. So I know it's going to sound a little weird, but I usually give them the advice that don't date someone that you are idolizing or you find better than you or hotter than you, because then in a lot of cases those guys I have seen with my especially current 30-year-old female friends who have been put in situations where like they have not said no or something has happened, and then because you're not grown into your own skin and you haven't grown a spine properly, it's uncomfortable, the things that they end up saying yes to, and then they like regret it. So
yeah, because you'll seem unlikable.
Yeah.
You won't seem agreeable enough.
yeah
Right, yeah, and then you want to seem all nice and this thing
Yeah.
according to society, because
According to society.
women who say no and are
not,
are
nice.
just are bad girls, are bitches.
My mother was or is or has been a very strong personality, right? So she would be like, no, fuck you. So with guys, especially when I was in my teens and stuff, when you're like trying stuff out, I तो was like, हाँ ठीक है, मतलब in my head I was like, नहीं, शादी से पहले virginity too is important. That was in my head very initially. That ship sailed long back, but in my head I was like, यार नहीं, but किस कुछ तो कर सकते हैं, because that is kind of like cool, because movie stars also do it and they're married, and I don't think so it's that objectionable. It's not
That
that
ship
much of an
has
issue
found America.
by now. Yeah, true, fine. Yeah, वो पैदल चल के पहुंच गई.
Yeah, Columbus is on that ship. Discovered new continents.
So anyway, I was in a very good position where I was like, हाँ ठीक है, I would tell the guy, okay, we will do this, we will do that. I would directly dictate, and then it would be done. Now, through years of trials and experiences and tribulations, I was able to realize, like this is the stuff I like, this is the stuff I don't like. Then eventually, when I even lost my virginity, that was more so when I realized, okay, this is all the stuff I like and did not like, because थोड़ा सा comparative analysis मिल जाता है. Now the thing is, and this has happened with my girlfriend also, उसके साथ तो बहुत funny situation हुआ. So they were like on the bed, they were doing it, and मैंने उसको बोल दिया था, I was like, listen, you are there for yourself, enjoy yourself, ठीक है, and you should not feel pressure to do something. So she was like, ठीक है, I'll say that. So she was hooking up with this guy, and again, mind you, these guys are like in their late 20s. This guy is also a fuckboy, like total gym vibe bros energy. He's fingering her, and he's doing a shit ass job of it, because I think he never had to do anything in his life before. And basic है a come hither motion. If you do not know about it, I hope you are under like 21 and you're a young child. ठीक है तो चलेगा. But if you're a guy above that age and with a partner, please learn it.
Yeah, and there is a particular way to do it.
Yeah. Read about it.
Yeah,
okay?
Google it.
Yeah, YouTube videos also demonstration के साथ.
Yeah.
So he did not know that, and she said कि वो कर, and then he was like, I don't know what it is, and then she was like, okay, then she was like, go down.
She's literally telling you.
Yeah, man, it was so weird. So
They cheat code दे रहे हो, मतलब.
भाई उसको आया ही नहीं. फिर उसके बाद she was like कि ठीक है चलो, you're useless, why don't you just go down on me, and then he was like नहीं, वो तो लड़कियाँ करती है. And the thing is the thing is that lots of female friends of mine, especially like when they were younger, they would be like, ठीक है, alright, but you also do it. And then the thing is, the guy gets his way, he comes, and then nothing happens with the girl. So
Oh, yeah, I've heard this way too many times.
So now what happens is कि this girl was like कि bro, you would do it, I'ma not do it. We can maybe have sex, but I'm not doing it. Because you asked me to like that, and जो भी है मतलब, she did not mention that, but she like नहीं, you go first and then we'll see, alright, or we can just do it because you might come too easily. She said that. Now the guy goes, and it's like वो ऐसा वो शीशा साफ करने की कोशिश कर रहा था, वो इधर से उधर से कहीं से भी.
Okay, then, yeah, no, that's not how you do it.
And then there's this one other story that I remember, and this was in college. So basically, on the same note, I had gone with this guy that I was making out with, and we guys went to the terrace, and there's a blanket over. Okay, we were trying things out. Okay, and same issue, like guys have no idea where to find the location and stuff. Now, I was giving instructions at that point. Like full on, they go left, go right, सीधा stop,
Okay.
U-turn.
We should get that nuclear wala beeper, like.
Yeah. Actually, some girls try to do that. Like one of my friend with a guy, she did it for like a year. she tried to do that beeper wala thing but with her sound effects. लौंडे को समझ में नहीं आया. You need to be
See,
verbal.
oh my god, that is just so daft, man. I mean, like,
Brilliance. So I was saying क्या हुआ कि I told him कि bro तेरे से नहीं हो पा रहा. Let us pause. खत्म. We are done.
yeah.
And this is something that again, like I feel the girls who are dating in their 20s or especially in their teens now, it's just they're very uncomfortable with the subject matter of even talking about it, and if they're doing it, like नहीं हो पाता. 30s के अंदर or in your late 20s, once you turn 25, then you're like हाँ, then you're like कि हाँ ठीक है, this, that and the other thing, yes, this and that and the other thing, no.
Yeah, no, it's you become more open with like telling your partner
Yeah.
कि देखो ये जो कर रहे थे ये अच्छा है,
हाँ.
ये दोबारा करो,
हाँ.
इससे अच्छा हुआ.
हाँ, and practice से पता चलता है.
Yeah, and you get more open to also do things on your own that will pleasure yourself
Yeah.
rather than be like serving.
Yeah.
You'll be self-serving rather than other serving.
Fair enough.
Yeah.
So, like, for you, as you've had a static situation,
Wow.
so
Way to reduce it to that. Okay.
yeah. So no, but in a good light static. So like, do you feel like it's better in your 30s and in your 20s?
No, I feel like compared to 20s, I think now it's just like that kind of like, oh my god, yes. Because like 20s are also like new, you know, you're also like figuring shit out, how to do it. Of course, because I was in a situation where I was very, very fond of the guy, like really fond of the guy. So it was kind of, I feel better
हाँ.
because maybe because I mean, I used to feel awesome when it is after happening. Oh my god, it's like blushing. But I feel like now I feel like it's gradually getting better only. I mean, at least 30s, because now I have like, I feel I have more agency.
Yeah.
I can just ask कि देखो जो अभी हो रहा था
Again,
सही है,
yeah.
do that again, do it again,
Yeah.
again. Also because we live together,
Yeah.
so there's a lot of like potential to explore.
Yeah,
Like,
fair.
you know, you can do different things
Yeah.
without, you can just like, there's couch, kitchen counter, TV, cabinet, everything.
अब मैं सैनिटाइजर लूंगी इसे घर में घुसने से पहले हर सर्विस
Don't
से पहुंच
ever
मार कर
come to my
निकलूंगी.
house with a blue light ever. So
नहीं, but that would be fun. I think mostly हम लोग Airbnb के अंदर जाके भी try to have that same sort of a moment.
yeah.
Yeah.
No, once you are living together, so the world is your playground.
Yeah, legit.
Yeah, it will be, yeah, that's it. I think I'm
this-
going to not let Shanu watch this.
So this actually reminds me, like, you know, when I was like in my like 17, 18, this guy I had my first kiss with. I mean, no, he's not the guy I had my first kiss with, but this guy who was like very first few, like उसके साथ scene क्या हुआ? Again, like you said, you were like, you had a crush on him and stuff, and you know, feelings were there, but obviously in your 30s you get to know things better. This guy, I had a crush on him, we started dating, I found him very cute, he kissed me, and I felt like I touched the lizard's mouth.
Oh no.
It was like
Oh no.
लगता है किस करके कुड़ी को प्रेग्नेंट कर देगा यार तू.
And I was like, I mean, like, this is my mouth, these are my lips, and I was like, okay. And then after that, when, you know, people go from like normal pecking and stuff, when he was just, you know, salivating on my lips, to like Frenching, it felt like, you know, that वो Pokemon के अंदर ना वो जो कौन सा वाला था जैसे पूरा मुंह खोल खचाक कर लेता था.
Oh, those puffer fish kind of.
Yeah,
Oh my
that
God.
fish one, yeah. So it went.
Have you
like
seen that lip plumping instrument?
Yeah.
It's like that, no? That
Yeah, that was on
Chinese
my
one.
mouth.
That too. Oh my god.
Yeah. Although that reminds me, like after that, whenever we kiss, I was like, yeah. I mean, I feel like okay, I got my little Kylie moment. But that was very short-lived, and also, so
Your
this is
tulips look like tulips.
yeah, something more. Some scene क्या था कि just for the record. So this was the time when I was, you know, in my discovering different boys phase, that I was kissing around guys, and also I didn't want to like get into alcohol or drugs or other stuff because I was doing therapy at that point. I told you my house had burned, my sister had died, my father had liver cirrhosis, and we were searching for a donor, and my parents were having divorce. So काफी कुछ हो रहा था within that year. Okay, I know, but at that time I was like making out with guys and dating guys is better than becoming an alcoholic or pregnant. So kissing around is fine. Okay, so I mean, yeah, talking to cute boys is not going to hurt you guys.
Hey, that's true.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So,
So like it doesn't have repercussions
yeah,
in your old
yeah,
age,
yeah.
I guess.
Also, technically, उस ज़माने में नहीं अभी STDs हो सकते हैं if you have any partner, especially like I tell all my friends who are dating in their 30s. If you're planning to do it with a guy, ask him when he got tested last. If he doesn't get tested, if he's not into that, that means you could potentially have issues. Wean it off for as long as you can, like a very serious note.
Also get the HPV vaccine.
Oh yeah, that.
Yeah.
That. So back to the story. Obviously PCMB he was also a lizard boy, so I was like, okay, whatever. We had like 2-3 dates, and then after that we had our exams, and then after that I kind of forgot about his existence. Let's keep it like that. हुआ क्या कि I started talking because I was trying to distract myself and stuff. So I was talking to several guys at that time. Now suddenly a few months later he comes back to me because boards के जो like first sem लगा लो जो होता है school का before like boards तो March में होते हैं तो November का time, so he had disappeared. Then during Christmas he like revives after 2-3 months कि we are dating this and that. मैं तो भूल ही गई, मैंने बात ही नहीं की. ADHD plus I also forgot that he existed. So and he was so bad.
How
How
could
would I
you
remember?
forget?
He was so
Those hot.
traumatized, man. I wanted to delete that memory from my mind. अब 3 महीने बाद हुआ था, शिट मैं तो भूल गई. And then after like फिर से मिलते हैं. Now by that time I had also kissed a few other guys. So then when we went for the kiss, I was like, ये तो ना हो पाएगा मेरे से, ठीक है. And now instead
Did
of
your memories come back with that kiss?
memory, वो there's this meme ना कि the guy is standing and एकदम से ocean का झटका लगता है.
Oh dear.
So like like his tongue reaching my face, I also had a splash of memories coming back at
Oh,
the same
no.
point. And I was like उसके बाद I was like कि यार नहीं हो सकता जो भी है. Now this guy, instead of taking a rejection, because when you reject a guy when you're in your late 20s 30s, you communicate, you verbalize. उस समय तो the guy was like, you're cheating on me with my friend. I'm like, तेरा कौन सा दोस्त, मैंने तो बात भी नहीं की उससे, because he couldn't take it, right? So he had to blame it on anybody but himself. So he kind of was like, तुम बच्चल and this and that, you're cheating on me with my friend. And I'm like,
But who is the friend?
मुझे नहीं पता bro, मैंने उससे कभी बात भी नहीं की. And he said that मैं एक बार भी नहीं मिली उससे physically. He has just messaged me to like a lot of people messaged me at that time to be like, we are so sorry for your sister's loss. So उस समय थोड़ी बात हुई, that's about it. But he was like, नहीं तू बच्चलन हो रहा है. And I'm like, bro listen, first up, yes, I mean I'm not interested in you and I'm cheating on you, but this is not with, and not even cheating, you're dating, but not with the guy that you were thinking. Several guys, but not that one.
मैं गिरा होया बंदा जमा नीच बल्लीए
Yeah. It's not me, it's you का उल्टा है ये.
Yeah, it is you.
Yeah.
It is you. शीशा खोल के देख.
Sorry, हाँ उल्टा. Yeah, it's not me, it's you.
Yeah. Anyway, so yeah, I've had a very interesting past, present, and so have my friends. But you tell me, what have you learned today about dating in your 20s versus 30s?
I need to have a conversation with my husband.
Like, अच्छा हुआ मुझे मिल गया.
Yeah, उसको जाके I think after every podcast I need to go and like do the nimbu and
हाँ नहीं वो
mirchi
नमक की
वाला.
पोटली,
Yeah.
नमक की पोटली से खुजाक.
No, I feel honestly very fortunate that I met him because I mean like I've
This
seen
is what is
dudes
this guys?
and women, like, boys and girls both are very problematic. यार I've seen, मतलब ऐसा नहीं है कि हम लोग दूध के
हाँ,
दूल्हे नहीं
हाँ,
है, हम लोग भी बहुत घटिया इंसान
yeah.
हैं. But yeah, it's just like I don't know. It just kind of I feel it's like very lucky that found, and then I'm like I feel like there's definite maturity and again aging like makes you realize new things about
Yeah.
your partner. You discover new things, and it's pretty cool growing up together and growing up in general. Also, the orgasms get
That,
better with
yes.
age. So yeah, if you're like in your 20s and you're like अरे कुछ भी नहीं हो रहा, trust me, give it some time.
Yeah.
हो जाएगा
Yeah,
कुछ
yeah.
टाइम और बहुत amaze balls होगा.
Yeah. And also guys, like, okay, Arushi and Krishanu have found each other, but just in case you haven't found the one that makes you come, you got to find the next one.
Yeah.
Speaking on
कम की
experience.
कमी नहीं होनी चाहिए.
Okay guys, we need to wrap up, so please follow us.
उस कॉफी में नशे थे थोड़ा, I think. I'm just like drowning in nashe of your story. Yes, so that was all the cup we had today. She had.
Yeah.
But yeah, I also had little comments to give. But yes, that was our podcast for today. Tell us how you liked it in the comments. Tell us what you want to see.
Please join us next week. Till then, call up your girlfriends and continue the girl kappa. साथ में बोलना था.
Please like,
Okay, okay.
share, subscribe. Also follow us on all our other channels. Links are in the description.